Honorable Speaker, this is a short motion that pursuant to the provisions of Standing Orders 28.4 on calendar of the House and 33C, hours of meeting, this House resolves to 1. Hold morning sittings on Thursday, 13th March 2025 and Friday, 14th March 2025, commencing at 10 a.m. for purposes of considering priority business relating to the supplementary estimates 2 for the financial year 2024-2025, related legislation and the budget cycle. 2, commence the short recess on Monday, 17th March 2025. And 3, to resume regular sittings on Tuesday, 1st April 2025, to continue with the first part of the 4th session. Honorable Speaker, as was agreed by the House Business Committee, with the proposal to have a morning sitting on Thursday morning and Friday morning, and I know, Honorable Speaker, many of our Muslim colleagues are in the fasting season, and also many of our Catholic brothers and sisters, including the Honorable Speaker, in the Lent season. And I know what happens on Fridays with them. So we have sought to have that sitting only on the morning part from 10 to 1 p.m. to consider the budget, supplementary budget. As members are aware, there are many, many issues, especially relating to exchequer issues that are pending, awaiting the completion or conclusion of the supplementary estimates too. Honorable Speaker, that's why you see very many chairs of committees are not in the House this afternoon, because they are trying to burn the midnight oil even tonight to make sure that they finish with the supplementary appropriations report in readiness for debate of this business as we agreed in the House business this morning on Thursday and Friday. There is some more important business relating to counties, especially on the division of revenue bill, which has to be published and come for first reading, hopefully by Thursday evening or Friday morning. Honorable Speaker, we would have extended the sitting, as I said, on Thursday probably up to the close of business, up to midnight, but we have the iftar dinner, Honorable Speaker, which you are hosting, and have invited all of us to join our Muslim brothers and sisters for the iftar dinner on Thursday. So Thursday evening, we have a very short afternoon, probably just about 2 hours before we adjourn for the iftar dinner hosted by the Speaker, and therefore it will be important to have that extra sitting on Thursday morning and Friday morning. And because the Honorable Wamashukuru and Honorable Wamushomba and Jane Kagiri are making a lot of noise behind me, I do hope that they've heard there will be a sitting on Thursday morning and Friday morning. And therefore, I beg to move and request the Honorable Jack Wamboka to second this motion in agreement on behalf of the Leader of Minority.
The acting Leader of Minority, and in that capacity, Honorable Speaker, I second the motion by my counterpart on the other side.
Order, members. Order. Members on their feet, take your seats. Order, member for, is that Barongo? Honorable Barongo, can you walk to the bar? Now take the nearest seat.